So I have this brand new patio with this brand new patio furniture, and I wanted to protect it from the elements. You can see it has a bunch of cushions and pillows. So instead of taking these off and putting them in a shed or in like a box, I decided to get covers. So right here, I actually have a love seat, a table, and a chair. These are right here. So these are 128 inches long, 83 inches wide, and 28 inches high. They're brown. They come with this little storage bag. What I think I'm gonna do is, when I'm not using them, I'm gonna just tuck them under here for safekeeping. So I got two of these, and instead of getting individual covers for each piece, I decided to get these super long ones. It's nice that they have them. I only had to buy two of them. I have one right here, and then one right here where this full couch and a chair is gonna be. So if you take a closer look, you look at the legs, I have these straps that attach. There's 4 of them, 2 on each end, and they just clip into place like this. And they also have the drawstring like this that you can tighten. They have one of those on each end. So you can tighten that right up, clip it into place, and if there's wind, they won't blow away. And this material is like it's like a raincoat. It's like a waterproof type material. So just to show you, we'll run some water here over it. Water, like a waterfall, right off of this thing. So I don't have to take my cushions and my pillows and store them in a shed somewhere or something. All I have to do is throw these on when I know it's going to rain, or if I want to protect it from the sun or the trees, the leaves, everything that falls on it. I have a chair going right where I'm standing, so this one's way too long. There we go. Here. Cool.